Here.
Alright, we've just received notification that the aircraft carrier is underway.
Okay. Larger radio has... I forgot to connect the larger.
I don't even know what you goobers are doing out there. Oh wait, no, that's the carrier. Where are you? You're all the way down there! Why are you down there?
Because I was doing hops.
Your plane is up here.
I know.
The bomber's
Flying
not even showing up on the map anymore. It's gone. It's been reduced to atoms.
I set up the radio. Let's see if it works now.
So did I.
Oh, hello.
I'm the only guy left alive in this damage.
I'm also putting the PTT button to 6 on mine. No, no, sorry, not 6. 1.
This is the first time they've actually had planes, and I'm actually fearing what's going to happen. Like, I'm gonna get shot down by the freaking Sergeant Stubby. Speaking of, your Sergeant Stubby is still...
Hey, we have infinite planes. They don't.
I'm aware. I just realized this whole this whole
How did you set your PTT to 1? How do you do that?
There's a transmit mode that needs to be set. Just the logic. You put transmit mode. Frequency.
Oh, like I
Yeah.
hook up 1 to...
I have a much better version of it with a proper radio. I just...
AFlame, can you spawn in your plane in the front right corner?
Yeah, once I get it, output, frequency...
Fast, maneuverable, chunky boy. Same maneuverability as the Buffalo. I think it has less guns.
You said radio.
Bigger target. Honestly, not worth it.
I am connecting it to your #1 engine. So if you lose engine #1 battery, you will not have,
Hey guys, they're about halfway to Bell Rock, so you guys might want to start your path back to, the island.
Okay, we'll just use Discord. We'll stop fucking around with this.
Okay, there you go. This model should have proper radios now.
8 guys just got left behind by the freaking aircraft carriers. Oh, wait. That means they launched planes.
Oh.
Oh, dear God.
I thought we weren't fighting till Bell Rocks.
I know, but that...
one, they're still playing...
That didn't mean they couldn't launch planes. So
they're still playing... They still have your,
combat air patrol.
Okay.
Killing the brakes.
Hey, you still have your other plane over there, and also... you need to
That's
turn
the one
off
with
the
the
map.
radios. Did you want it?
Once they get there, you turn off the map.
Okay. Cash, did you want the one with radios or no? Should I already spawn it?
No, I want to see if mine works. I'm on radio for C6, by the way.
Let me hop in the plane then. What?
I can't tell if they're backfill bombs or just the plane. You guys are gonna take off now.
Alright,
waiting on AFlame.
I'm gonna do my first attack run with the A23 because I'm already in, and then I'll hop over now.
Wait, are you guys both in the A23 just ditching the sides?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to get the Sergeant Stubby after I do my first attack run. Want to be in a Sergeant?
What?
We're doing a aircraft versus aircraft carrier combat.
Which one?
AFlame.
The biplane?
And what channel are you on?
Well, you're lucky. My computer's not even on. I just turned it off for the night.
My radio antenna is doing funky.
Honestly,
What frequency are you on?
Feels like you should stream.
Here,
We watch. I wanna watch.
I can't watch your stream. I'm trying to fly.
To avoid their enemy air patrol.
I'm gonna be.
AFlame, what's your radio frequency? Mine's at 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see three vehicles in the same spot, so I'm gonna climb.
Flying over that.
AFlame, set your frequency to 6. Tell me when you move.
Alright, what'd you ask me?
Set your frequency to 6.
Oh, you're setting frequency to 6. Radio set, testing.
Can you hear me?
Got a visual.
I mean, like, through the radio. Could you hear me through the radio?
Yep. I'm about to...
So are clouds client side?
What was that?
Are clouds client
I think so. I'm aware! I'm very aware!
Hey, I found them.
Okay. Pretty sure my torpedoes missed. Blown up. Oh, little stripes around it. Not them. I thought the whole plane was purple. Whoa! Yep, they're on my tail. There would be bandits. My engine just stalled. What the hell? I have never had that happen. My engine out. Good, no damage. Alright, so I'm gonna go get in the fire. Okay. The A-23 does. Are they shot down? Or they crashed?
I think I might have shot the thing that's on the deck.
Oh, okay. Well, they got one in the air. I'm now in the Sergeant Stubby. This Sergeant Stubby does not have bombs. Who is getting shot at? Oh, there it is. Got visual on the enemy Sergeant Stubby. Yeah, you're shooting at. I'm about to do a strafing run on the air carrier, but I don't have bombs. Oh, I got the good hit from there, Sergeant Stubby.
You've got a hole in your left hand. Yeah.
Oh. Alright, butter landing. We're like throwing the butter at a wall. Still butter. The whole stick of butter
Your gear is
splattered
still on.
across the wall now. What the floor?
Accurate.
Alright, it's but angry time.
Did you want to get the A23 and have a actual tail gunner, and then?
Oh, I was taking Sarge for a spin.
Oh, okay. Do you have the one with bombs or no?
No, and I'm honestly happy with that. I'm a strafe. I don't like bombs.
The bombs that make.
I don't believe in bombs. Theoretically, if I were to join, theoretically, if I were to join, would I be able to use my plane that has 4 heavy autos on the nose?
Is it World War II era?
Yes. It has a top-mounted light auto.
Spawn it in and we'll see.
My computer's not on. I'm just wondering.
No, yeah, go ahead. They're the ones who deal with it. You're on our team.
My computer's not on. I'm on my phone.
You can turn it back on.
No, I can't. I have a mother. I'm waiting for her to go to bed right now.
Okay.
Shot out with a he is not friendly. He is not friendly.
This is going to be a very awkwardly handled.
Never understood the prospect of putting a face on a plane. Looks stupid.
How dare you?
doesn't.
It looks.
I like
it looks
order
stupid, but
and
it's
something that looks
funny.
proper. Germans never did it.
I mean, technically,
The Germans were
Americans weren't
smart.
to do it either.
Is it supposed to be scary? Is the little fucking mouth painted on the nose of the plane supposed to be scary? No. It looks stupid. It has no practicality.
Oh, have you met governments?
I lost the bandits.
I am coming back in. I now am in a Sergeant Stubby with one prop on each end and
Germans
2
didn't do it.
large torpedoes.
Russians didn't do it. Italians didn't do it. Japanese didn't do it. I don't think the British did it.
Oh, they did. It was a lot rarer, and you
The
see,
French didn't.
the U.S. Navy never did it. No, that's what I'm coming to do. But I am going to launch my torpedoes and then I'm going to do that. They might not have another pilot. Oh, there they are.
Bitch out of the plane.
No, you're trapped. You're dead.
Yep.
Realize I want to drop. I can't do. I have to drop both torpedoes at one time just due to how this is.
Please, Sergeant Stubby. Your breath will take your place, and you will not be missed.
Take a look at my screen real
Oh
quick.
god, it didn't spawn on someone's like equipment rack or something. That would be terrible. Alright. I've done the Sarge.
Take a look at that properly armed Sergeant Stubby.
It's actually not properly armed. If it has the bombs, it's actually outside of the SMH restrictions.
Oh, mine has 2 large torpedoes.
Yeah, but frick, what was I thinking? The connectors are actually for drop tanks.
Torpedoes away.
You know what? I'm gonna give
Big explosion on deck.
I'm gonna give myself a red barrel livery just because I think.
Oh, I just hit their bow.
This time in a while.
I'm most likely going to be continuing KLS Lusitanian.
Oh yeah, because the
finish that one?
said you had to.
I also noticed that in the picture I misspelled Lusitanian. Why so specifically? Can you provide me a reason? The diesel ship. What's wrong with Magdeburg? Well, yes, but I could fix that pain probably relatively easily.
You sound a lot deeper.
Yeah, because it's my natural voice. Well, that's a little rude.
Alright, cease fire, cease fire.
Anyway, answer my question.
I wonder why they're calling a ceasefire this time.
What do you have against Magdeburg? You like... It's not even an ocean liner.
Like, do we know who's in their
Lusitania isn't an
aircraft?
ocean liner.
Just
You
a,
will.
bogies are unknown, possibly enemies. Bandits are enemies.
Bandito.
I am now in an A-23. Wait, does that mean you're surrendering?
Those fuckers over there, they've done absolutely nothing wrong. They're blue.
Oh, that's been a thing. That's the way people you surrender. If you twins surrendering are bailing out, there's no firing, so I don't know why they call it ceasefire.
Now I think I burned them. I'm gonna crash them.
I'd like to slam heavy autos into their deck, because it'd be funny.
No, you have to tactically go by traffic. Lure him away.
Quietly lie down.
You should crash into
Oh,
the boat.
what the hell? What am I just exploded? No one.
Well, not close below. Close.
I got hit and one of my engines exploded. I don't know if I never saw any bullets around me or nothing. But I'm still flying.
That's enough of the Red Baron Buffalo. Let's go for back to the AP Buffalo. It is. I know the Sergeant Stubby is all awesome, but like this'll still be my favorite.
Let me go look at it again.
Finish up this battle and watch how slow.
Well, fuck, can we get a 10th boat so I can know what I'm gonna do after Lusitanian? Because Magdeburg and Faria have the same number of boats. Well, why?
Yeah, right.
Why do you hate Faria?
It's flat. It's flat.
You're flat.
It would be an aircraft carrier.
No. Its service is an aircraft carrier.
What?
It's a ferry that operates in the Great Lakes that goes out to an aircraft carrier that's too big to dock. It's a rather complex project that I've spent like a week on.
And hold your fire.
Okay. I want to go tell them that they were kept that I kept firing. All right. Me?
I want to see where this
Well, that's what I've been doing. Yeah, and I flying around. Yeah, I'm gonna go let them know.
I just realized that I had my microphone on push to talk this entire time. But yeah, I got a really good hit on their rear end, and then I believe me and AFlame both hit their bow at the same time. I don't know if you know.
Well, I also got 2 good torpedo hits on their bow. No, direct mid-ship, yeah.
Yeah, I believe I knocked out their engine.
Alright, they're opening fire. Yeah, you can have fire back.
Alright, open in Bombay. Bombay, open.
Oh, okay, yeah. Definitely fire back all you got. You just hit me again. You've done this to me twice. You know what?
I didn't hit you. You flew through their
They got-
path.
I don't know what happened. I got hit by something. Yeah, while
They've done this to me twice. They are not
You fucking
getting-
flew
They're
through
going
the line
down.
of fire.
You are not getting this again.
I might not make it by the time they. But you.
He was doing a gun salute because the ship was sinking, and you flew into his line of fire.
You should not be firing that way, man. That's just
You fucking flew into it.
yes. That's a send the ship off.
No, I got 2 guns, but I can shoot 21 times.
You guys are shooting at each other. Christ.
No.
Why are you shooting at him? Where did him go?
I'm in the water.
Him died.
Oh.
Because I forgot to throttle back up. I turn. Like a dummy. Do you want to try doing a naval versus naval combat next?
I'll be entirely honest, 11:08, and I'm actually guessing it's 8:20, but I'm gonna consider this battle. Yeah, I'll finish this up. I'll consider this a draw. Not a draw, actually no, this is
I'm gonna.
aircraft victory. Despite the
Oh,
fact
yeah.
we have less people, and definitely some less subordinate crew, yeah, I consider this the victory.
Alright, I'm gonna
I'd like to use Magdeburg in a naval battle.
we lose.
Feels
We
better
admit
fun.
that. Good work. I will say, we would have killed
can
you
let
in
them
the
know
air a
I'm
bit
grabbing
more, but
aircraft for
sadly,
rescue?
Comrade Thoron made a small mistake, got mixed up between my air.
What is he saying?
As, you know,